This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your TikTok app is updated and you're signed in. This ensures the latest voice features are available. Open the app and tap the plus button to record or upload a clip, then add the text you want read aloud in a text box. Once done, place and style the text on screen so timing matches speech. Make sure to save positions before moving to sound options, because placement affects when the TTS will trigger during playback. Next, tap the text element and choose text-to-speech. TikTok will auto-generate audio from your text, so you can preview the default voice. Use the voice or language menu to switch among available voices. Some voices require region settings or app updates, so change settings if a voice is missing. Once you pick a voice, refine timing by dragging text duration handles on the timeline and trimming the clip so the spoken words align with the visual cues. To finish, play the full preview and confirm speech, timing, and pronunciation match your intent. Make quick edits to text or duration if needed. Once satisfied, add background audio or captions, then post or save as a draft. If text-to-speech doesn't appear, force close the app, clear cache, check for updates, or reinstall. Also verify account region and content settings. If problems persist, try a different device to isolate whether the issue is account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.